In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a USB-C monitor to charge your laptop, what requirements you need, and how to troubleshoot common issues if charging doesn't work. Before connecting anything, check if your laptop supports USB-C charging. Okay? Because the USB-C port supports power delivery, often called USB PD. Not all USB-C ports are the same. Some only transfer data, while others supports video output and charging. So you can check by looking for a charging icon next to the USB-C port, checking your laptop's user manual, visiting the manufacturer's website, reviewing your laptop's specifications. Now, if your laptop supports USB-C power delivery, you are ready for the next step, which is verifying if your monitor supports USB-C power delivery. Now, to confirm, most modern monitors offer USB-C display connectivity, power delivery charging, or built-in USB hubs. So check the monitor specifications and look for USB-C power delivery, charging wattage rating, USB-C upstream port. Common power ratings include 45 watts, 65 watts, tiny, 100, and the higher the wattage, the better it can charge larger laptops. And of course, remember to use the correct USB-C cable. A common mistake is using a USB-C cable that only supports charging or basic data transfer. For the best results, use a USB-C cable that supports video output, data transfer, power delivery, charging. If possible, use the cable that came with your monitor. Using an incompatible cable may result in no display signal, slow charging, and no charging at all. And of course, you need to connect the USB-C cable. It's time to connect everything. Turn on your monitor, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the monitor's USB-C port. Connect the other end to your laptop's USB-C port. Wait a few seconds for the connection to initialize. Most laptops will automatically detect the monitor and begin charging immediately. And you should see the external display activate, the battery charging icon appear, USB devices connected through the monitor becomes available. And do not forget to configure the display settings. If the monitor is detected but not displaying correctly, you need to adjust your display settings. On Windows, right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, scroll down to Multiple Displays and choose either Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen Only. Now, if you're using Mac, open System Settings, select Displays, arrange the displays as desired, and adjust resolution and scaling if necessary. And of course, do not forget to confirm charging is working. To verify your laptop is receiving power, on Windows, click the battery icon in the taskbar. Look for the plugged in or charging. For MacBook, click the battery icon in the menu bar. Confirm the charging indicator appears. If charging is active, your setup is complete. If charging isn't working, the issue is usually related to power delivery support, charging wattage, or the USB cable being used. Once those requirements are met, you'll enjoy a cleaner and more efficient setup with far fewer cables on your desk. Basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.